academic journey, as we gathered here to celebrate the culmination of our elementary school years. Our graduation, as we stand on the threshold of new beginnings, it is essential for us to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude. To our distinguished guest, Ms. Maria Lorraine D. Guerra. Our keynote speaker, the Honorable Mayor Alfredo G. Shallow Jr., to the active members of the Barangay Council of Tagdol, headed by our Barangay Chairman, Honorable Giovanni G. Best. To our very supportive GPT officers, led by Mrs. Josephine B. Magresa, to our beloved school principal, Mrs. Myrna M. Castillo. Our dear teachers, our dearest parents, fellow graduates, relatives, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. As we gathered here today to celebrate the end of our elementary school journey, we are filled with